The engineering behind delivery drones. A few years ago, drone deliveries sounded futuristic. Today, they are becoming part of modern logistics, delivering food, medicine, and packages faster than ever. But how do these flying robots actually work? Let's explore the engineering that makes delivery drones possible. Lift and flight, the physics of staying airborne. Every delivery drone begins with aerodynamics, the science of how air moves around wings and propellers. Most drones use a multi-rotor design, usually 4, 6 or 8 propellers, to create lift and maintain stability. Each rotor speed is adjusted thousands of times per second, allowing the drone to hover, move or turn precisely. Engineers use lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum to maximize flight time and efficiency. Navigation: how drones find their way. To reach the right destination, drones rely on GPS navigation. They follow pre-programmed routes and adjust in real time using inertial measurement units for orientation and acceleration, barometers for altitude, magnetometers for direction, cameras or LiDAR for obstacle detection. Combined, these sensors help drones fly accurately even in complex urban environments. Power systems, the battery challenge. Power is one of the biggest engineering challenges. Most drones use lithium polymer batteries, lightweight but energy dense. However, flight time is usually limited to 20 to 30 minutes. Engineers are exploring solar assisted flight, swappable batteries, and even hydrogen fuel cells to extend range and payload capacity. Energy efficiency drives every design choice. Payload and delivery mechanism. Drones must carry goods safely without affecting stability. That means calculating payload weight, designing center of gravity balance, and developing secure release mechanisms. Some drones use mechanical claws or winches to lower packages gently to the ground. Others land briefly, drop the package, and take off again. Autonomy and control. Modern delivery drones use autopilot systems that combine GPS, AI, and real-time data processing. They can detect obstacles, reroute in bad weather, and even communicate with other drones to avoid collisions. Machine learning helps them improve efficiency with every flight, just like self-driving cars in the air. Safety and regulations. Engineering doesn't stop at the hardware. Designers must ensure compliance with aviation laws, geofencing, and fail-safe systems like automatic return to home, collision avoidance, and emergency landing modes. Reliability and redundancy are key because every drone carries not just a package but public trust. In conclusion, delivery drones represent the perfect blend of mechanical design, aerodynamics, electronics, and AI. They fly because engineers made machines that can balance power, precision, and autonomy. In the sky of the future, engineering is what keeps every delivery safe, fast, and smart. Please stay tuned to the channel where innovation takes flight. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos that uncover the engineering behind the world around you.